So, winter is getting very long. It's either so cold, like 20 below like it is right now, or it's snowing. So we have a lot of snow, and this is my children. It's kind of scary. I have not seen this, but I've heard about it. They slide off the roof of the chicken coop. Hold on. Hold, not yet. Oh, seriously. That's bad. Only in northern Minnesota do we have enough snow to do something that ridiculous.
Mama, you want to try it?
No, but thanks.
It holds my butt bad.
Are you guys gonna go back up there? If it wasn't so cold, I would try to do more with the camera here to make it look.
Yes, you and Harv and me. So sit. Harv, hop on my lap. Ready? No, Harv has hop. I know. Did you put the ramp up? Ready? Go.
Bad.
That's too much weight on myself. Harv to you.
What, Malachi? Was that awesome?
Yes. Why did I give Harv to you? It's too much weight on myself.
Let me look at you.
Yeah, I was leaning heavily this way.
Are you goofy? One more time. Oh my gosh. I think I'd break something. It would be bad.
Once you get Hadassah on your lap, I'm too heavy. Get over here.
I mean, that top of that building's got to be, I don't know, 30 feet up maybe?